Whether you're in Dubai or Nanjing, Bahrain or Mallorca, Shanghai or Kuwait, Abu Dhabi or London, open the curtains. Yesterday is just history, and tomorrow is a beautiful mystery. So drop your bathrobe and put on a smile. Dance and hope everyone is watching. Crave all your guilty pleasures, including this one. Look up. Wander wherever your heart takes you. Look, hear, smell, touch, taste. Go back to saying wow again and again and again. And remember, we just need 4 things to be truly happy. Someone to love us back. Something to do, well, kind of. And something to hope for. And to quote John Lennon, you may say we are dreamers, but we are not the only ones. So we hope someday you will join us and the world will live as one.